Dozens of spools rotate simultaneously as the aramid fibers are drawn off.
Radiographic imaging confirms the internal quality of the K-36DM structure. The engineer's digital sign-off ensures absolute product consistency. The silver-gray seat frame moves into an automated paint booth, where a matte, non-reflective dark gray ceramic coating is applied by...
Check the stabilization inputs on screen 3.
Readings are nominal, G tolerance confirmed.
Systems go for K-36DM, serial 4-2.
Tolerances are confirmed across the batch. The alignment is perfect.
The K-36DM's sensitive electronics receive durable black composite covers, robotically installed with precision.
The final packaging sequence for the K-36DM ejection seat structure. Pneumatic clamps secure the structure rigidly to the pallet.
The desiccants ensure the internal atmosphere remains completely dry, protecting sensitive electronics during long-term storage.
The K-36DM Ejection moment seat wheel. Line instruction fully eject seat storm seat.
Automated attachment ensures precision. Here, a high-strength polymer sealant is applied to the stitching points, ensuring zero slippage under extreme load.
The high-performance parachute canopy is pulled through a fine mist of aerospace-grade polymer sealant to repel moisture and resist.
Drogue lines secured.
Tension calibrated to spec.
Main canopy locked.
The trolley leaves the cleanroom, marking the end of Process B manufacturing. It is now ready to join the K-36DM ejection seat structure for integration.
Test complete. Pass.
This netting prevents the lines from snagging on the seat structure during deployment. Its precise, fixed size and placement are.
The trolley arrives at the staging point, reuniting primary and secondary products for the final K-36DM integration.
Integrate is way within integrate is CED.
Height and tilt adjustments verified. Harness mechanisms secure. Oxygen supply connected. System check complete.
Seat adjusted and secure. Oxygen connected. Final checks complete. K-36 operational.
As the Su-27 demonstrates immense power, the focus successfully range of the K-36DM Ejection.
K-36DM touchdown confirmed.
Roger that. Integrity check passed.
The focus remains on the successful deployment and the structural integrity of the components, reinforcing the precision of the rail alignment and parachute packing processes. The K-36DM system, the culmination of a complex industrial pipeline, delivers flawless